Okay, welcome to the installation video. Let's dig in again. So we've been stripping the stones with a tool with a metal brush on the right here. And also we've been cleaning up the beams with the brush as well. So we are aiming to keep the ceilings as they are with the exposed beams, and that's the tool we used. We brushed the stones and the beams. And all the rails have been put in place to take the insulation, which we can see here after it's done. That's the result after insulation. So that's a nice open room. All the electricity is done. Actually, most of it. We still have some audio to pass through and remove the floor. So let's check out how we did the insulation. So first we set some metal rails and we secured the electricity. Then the insulation company came and sprayed the cellulose right on the stones, and then cut flush with the roll. So that's after and before the naked stones. So that's it. Now let's see how it was done. So here we can see the process of spraying the insulation directly onto the stones, and apparently the starch in the cellulose is holding it together. And then it's cut flush on the rails with some kind of a roll. And then I did a quick shootout to compare the acoustics of the naked room stone walls and the insulated walls, which I'm tempted to leave open so the acoustic is treated that way. So here we go.
Can't do my life. There's nothing that I can't do. Nothing that I won't do. Barefoot in the rain. Oh, barefoot in the rain. Barefoot in the rain. Barefoot in the rain, barefoot in the rain, yeah. Barefoot in the rain.
Let's try some snare. So that was the insulation part. And then we did some lime hemp coating on just a few walls. Then we stuck that on the chimney walls with my friend Patrick. Covering up the second chimney wall. So we had like different stones there, so it was better to cover it with the lime hemp. And then the floor, we took out the planks. We bolt on new beams on the old beams because the floor was uneven and pretty fragile. And then we put new planks on top. We've thrown in some loose cellulose wadding between the beams to insulate more and took care of the masonry properly. And then the planks And here's a small tour. So now let's go back to the kitchen, which was stationary. So we are modifying the historical bay window to change the direction of opening. So we can then install a new bay window with a much better thermal insulation, creating like a small veranda and small airlock. So that was August 2025. You can see the planks behind. On the right, the planks for the new floor. And that's the old door being modified for the new opening. That's it. We have the floors to finish. Some more electricity, audio stuff. So that's it for now. See you